Take a look at this YouTube channel called NextGen Process. In just 1 month, this creator gained over 70,000 subscribers. And the shocking part is how fast their videos are pulling massive views. Their very first upload, posted only a month ago, has already crossed 4 million views, and every video after that is doing incredible numbers as well. So the big question is, what exactly is this channel doing that's making it explode so fast? The answer is actually simpler than you think. They're creating deeply satisfying, high-detail industrial videos that show how products are made from start to finish. Every video walks viewers through full production lines, raw materials being transformed, complex processes broken down visually, ordinary inputs turning into high-value products. No talking, no distractions, just smooth transitions, documentary-style shots, and insane visual detail, the kind people can't stop watching. And here's the craziest part. Every single video is created using AI. No factory access, no filming crew, no expensive equipment. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create these kinds of videos yourself, using the same structure, style, and visual approach that's driving millions of views. And to make this even easier for you, I've included a link in the description where you can access all the prompts used in this video, 20 ready-to-use sample topics you can apply this template to immediately. So, if you're interested in creating high-retention, faceless, AI-powered videos that people love to watch, let's get started.
So we're going to be using ChatGPT to create a prompt first. I already have the link of the Google Doc on the description of this video. Just click on the link of the Google Doc and then you'll be able to access a ready-to-use prompt. So here is my Google Doc. Now we're going to copy this prompt right here. Exactly. We're going to copy this first prompt to get a title. And on ChatGPT, we're going to paste it. Okay, so this is it. And then we're going to input the topic that you want to create. Now give me the title for here. You're going to input the topic. Okay, we can say how Coca-Cola is made. And then we're going to wait. So ChatGPT has given us a high impact cinematic title and also giving us an industrial documentary style, viral click optimized. You can see. So this is what ChatGPT has given us. We're just going to go through it and choose the one that is best. Inside Coca-Cola factory, how the world's most famous drink is made, how Coca-Cola is made inside the world's largest factory. So now that we have our title, we're going to create the prompt for the documentary. So we're going to go back to our Google Doc to copy the next prompt for the documentary. So here is the next prompt. Like I said, I already have a prepared prompt, an image prompt structure that you can actually follow for this tutorial. And in case you don't want to use the image structure, I also have a prepared video prompt structure that you can also use. So the video prompt structure requires you to use VO3. We're going to use VO3 for the video prompt structure, but in case you don't have access to VO3, you can either watch this video to get a free access to VO3, or if you already have the Pro VO3 version, then you're good to go. While for the image prompt structure, this is free. We're going to first generate the image and then use another free tool to generate the video. All right, so without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. Okay, then we're going to copy the image prompt structure. Now we're going to copy from here all the way down. So you can either use the image prompt structure or the video prompt structure. If you're using the image, you copy this. But if you're using the video prompt structure, you're going to copy this next one. Okay, so we've copied the image prompt structure and then we're going to head back to ChatGPT. So here we are. We're going to paste it. Okay, so now look, this is the instruction. Create dash sequential image prompt. So here you're going to input the number of image prompts that you want ChatGPT to generate for you. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go with 6, okay? So I've told ChatGPT to generate, to create 6 sequential image prompts that visually explain the entire industrial workflow of. And here, you're going to impute that topic, the topic that ChatGPT had already given us, okay? So here, I'm going to copy the topic that I want. So I think I'll go with the first one. Inside the Coca-Cola factory, how the world's most famous drink is made. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come here, how, and here where you have the topic, you're going to paste. Okay, so here I've pasted my prompt. Inside the Coca-Cola factory, how the world's most famous drink is made. So don't forget to, do these 2 things, and then these are the prompts that follows. Okay, so with that, we're going to click on generate and then wait for it to load. Okay, so here we have our prompts ready. This is scene 1, 2, 3, and scene 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so now that all our prompts are ready, we're going to copy the first prompt. Copy the first prompt. And then we're going to head on to Google Image FX to generate our image. You go to your Chrome browser, you come to your browser and type Google Image FX. You can see it right here. I already have it here on my browser. This is what you're going to click on, okay, to generate your image. All right. Okay, so this is the interface. Then these places where you're going to paste your prompt. All right. Okay, now we have a prompt here. Then you're going to come over to settings. Click settings, quality. Okay, I have a quality. Then aspect ratio. You're going to choose the aspect ratio you want. Here is the portrait, landscape, mobile portrait, mobile landscape, square. So we're going with 16:9, which is the landscape. All right, so when that is done, I'm going to come back here to impute, and then we're going to click here to generate. Here our image is ready. You can see. We can have, you can see we have 4 images generated for us. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So you can go ahead and download an image. Just choose the one you want. You can as well download the 4 images. Okay. And then, so now we have the first prompt ready, first image. Then we're going to go ahead and, get all 6 images ready. So here I entered my second prompt, which is the water treatment and preparation. Okay, so generate. Here our image is ready. So I'm going to download. So let's check out other images. Here are other images. You can just download them and then animate the one you want. Okay. So now we've gotten all our images ready, and then we're going to head on to animate our images.
If you're enjoying this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when new videos comes up.
And we're going to use Grok AI to animate. From here, we're going to come to Imagine. So you're going to click here, go to your gallery and upload the image. So here our image has been uploaded. We're going to click on Make Video, and there it says use your own video prompt. You're going to come here and click Custom, and then you're going to go back to ChatGPT to get our prompt. So the very first prompt for scene 1, we're going to copy that prompt again. Copy that same entire prompt over again, and then I'm going to paste it. So here I pasted my prompt here again, and then we're going to generate. Okay, so here our video is ready. Okay, now we have our first video. We're going to go ahead and download it, and then go ahead and generate the other scenes that you have created the images for. So here we have all our videos ready, but first we're going to go ahead to use the video prompt to generate our videos as well. So we're going to copy the video prompt structure. Okay, so I'll copy. So you're going to go through the prompt structure and then impute the topic where necessary. Where you see this topic here, you're going to impute the topic here. Okay. Okay, so we have a bit video prompt structure ready, and then we are going to generate. Okay, so here we have our prompts, and then I'm just going to copy. Then we're going to head on to Google VO3 to generate our video. So you come here, you see text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, create image. So we are going to work with text to video. All right, and then we're going to paste our prompt. Okay, copy that first prompt, and then we're going to paste it. So then we're going to come here, you choose your aspect ratio. We're going with the landscape. Output per prompt. In order to minimize our credit, we're going to use 1. Okay, and then I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so our video is ready. Just go ahead and download the video. Click on original size, and then you're going to go ahead to generate all the different stages. So now we have all our videos ready, and then you're going to use any editing app of your choice, either InShot or CapCut. These are the 2 editing apps I use. Okay, so you can use either of them, merge all your videos together, and then your full video is ready. So let's watch the full clip of all the videos that we have generated. So which tool do you think is best for video creation? Are you team A, Google Image Effects and Grok video generation, or VEO3 generation? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload new video. And until I see you again in my next video, It's bye for now.